Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Google account menu because that's where sign out and removal options live. First, navigate to Accounts. Google.com or tap your profile picture in the Google app. Make sure you're on the correct profile if you manage multiple accounts. Once done, pause to verify sync data and two-step verification status so you don't lose access later. You're initiating the process now to either sign out locally or remove the account from this device. You'll choose between signing out and removing the account from the device. These are different. Sign out ends the session while keeping the account available for future login. Removing deletes the account entry from the device and clears locally synced data. Tap Manage Accounts on this device, select the account, then pick Sign Out or Remove Account and confirm. Make sure to read warnings about synced data and offline files, because removal erases locally stored items immediately. Finish by restarting the app or device to ensure the account is fully signed out and caches are cleared. If you remove the account and later can't sign in, use the recovery email, recovery phone, or your two-step verification device to regain access. This prevents account lockout. If a session still appears, clear browser cookies and cache or remove saved profiles from settings. If problems persist, repeat removal steps or sign in on another device to verify account status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.